Hi! Today I wanted to talk a little bit about seed storage and organization. Everyone is a little bit different when it comes to this, it seems like. Everyone has a different idea on how to store their seeds. Some people just in a box, kind of messy. I did that for a very long time. Threw all my seeds in a box. It was hard to find anything, and whenever I wanted to go plant anything, it was a chore to dig through all the seeds. They were all unorganized. There was no method to any of that madness. I like to keep things organized, and this is the best method that I personally have found, and I would like to share it with you guys. What I do is I buy one of those big 3-ring binders. I like the Avery brand just because it's very easy and it seems to be pretty good quality. So if you open up these, they have an easy tab. You just click it, one click, there you go. It also has 2 different folder holes here. I really like that. I do utilize them fully. I normally get the bigger ones, like the 3-inch. This one is just the 1.5 inch. You can buy them in any different color. They're very versatile. I use them for everything. And then what I do is I buy these little page protectors. They're actually photo pages. They are to keep photos in. There's 4, you can see that. There you go. There's 4 sleeves. And they fit in just your standard 3-ring binder. Very nice and easy. The brand that I used was actually this one. It's BCW 4-pocket page for photos and postcards. I just bought them on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. Alright, and I actually have seeds from a lot of different companies. So I have Seed Savers Exchange. Their packages are actually a little bit bigger than your normal package. I have some random personal grower that I got seeds from. I got the bigger ones from Baker Creek. Those are a little bit larger. I have some M.I. Gardner seeds. Those are about your standard seed pack size. Let's see here. I have some even from the store. And once I open them, I like to put them in a Ziploc. So that makes it quite large also. All of these will fit in these page protectors. Sometimes I actually have an envelope, just a regular plain old envelope of seeds that I've saved myself. These I do have to fold a little bit, but they will slide into those page protectors. Alright, and what I do here on the top, I guess I could have made these a little nicer, at some point I might, but I make a list of what's in the binder. I put it on the back because when I stack them, there you go, you can see them. So I have the front here, I have the side, alright, and then the inside here. Alright, and my dirty little secret is I have way too many seeds. Way too many. But that's okay. As long as I keep them organized, I use them, I feel comfortable with it. You can kind of see they're organized by like the types of tomatoes. There'll be a few pages for tomatoes. There's a bunch of pages for root vegetables. Oh, I even have these seed tape. They're really big. Those just came from the store also, but they're much bigger than a regular seed pack. And what I do is I fold it just a little bit, and it does actually fit into one of those pages. Even if you don't have as many seeds as I do, it's still a really good way to keep them organized. Like here's the pages for my melons. I even save some of my own seeds and I put those in little envelopes that I put into the thing. What else do we have in here? Oh, here we go. The beans. The beans are a little bit more tricky because they are a fatter seed, but they do fit quite well in there. I really like this method to store seeds. For me, it's very convenient, it's easy, and because I said my dirty little secret, I have a million seeds, I actually have 3 of these binders. That one might have been the biggest one, but I have them different colors. The colors don't really mean anything, but they are labeled. You can see on the spine there. Just handwritten, nothing crazy, just enough to where I can see what's in there. And I have another one here, same thing. It's labeled, and there's a whole bunch of seeds in there. I have all my greens in here. So if I'm getting ready to plant something in the middle of the season, like I want to replant my lettuce, I can find my, oh, the lettuce is in this one. Here we go. There it is. Lettuce is in this one. You can open it up, flip to where my lettuce is at. There it is. And then these actually fit very nicely in storage cubes. I put them kind of back to back. That way they fit just a little bit better. They're very square. You can actually put them on a nice bookshelf if you have a bookshelf. I actually have this storage cube that I like to keep them in. So I just put them in this storage cube, put it in my cube shelf, and away I go. And they're good for the next season. I do really like this because not only does it keep them nice and organized and I can see all of them, but also when you get these little envelopes and you open the tab on the back, all you have to do is fold it down. If it doesn't want to stay closed, you can actually just fold it, and then because these are very tight, it will keep it closed. You don't have to worry about the seed falling out. As long as you keep the binder upright, all the seeds will stay in. It's also a very clean, dry method to keep your seeds. When you're keeping seeds, you want to make sure that they stay dry. Any moisture will make them mold, mildew, or even make them germinate early before you're ready for them to germinate. And you want to make sure that you keep them in a cool place. Heat can deteriorate the seeds, so you want to make it just a cool, dry place. And with this, I can put it on the bookshelf. It's a cool, dry place. All right. Thanks for watching.